Hello, my name is Uzamaka and I'm the founder of a ministry called the Women of Remarkable Destiny. And the purpose of this ministry is to help the recovery process of people who've experienced sexual abuse. As a child, I was sexually abused and it took me over 30 years to find healing and wholeness. I had over 80 issues. I've been able to design a program, and from that program, I've started a teaching series called Overcoming the Effects of Sexual Abuse. And my first teaching is on anger. I had a lot of issues with that, and you can find that on YouTube. When you follow us on the Women of Remarkable Destiny, I give you real life situations, I share my testimony, and I also give you tips on how to overcome anger, because when you've been violated, you're angry, and part of that session will give you tips on how I overcame. You can also follow us at the word O3, Twitter and Instagram, and Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn, the Women of Remarkable Destiny.